Hey guys, welcome back to ABC DIY, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make slime with hand sanitizer. And I found this slime recipe on YouTube. It's a very easy recipe, so you guys better try it. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so first I'll tell you what you need. So the main thing you'll need is some hand sanitizer. I'm using this aloe vera one. And also you'll need some paint. The paint is optional. The paint, you can color the hand sanitizer if you want. You can also use food coloring or glitter. So also you'll need a plate or bowl to mix your slime in. I'm using a plate here. And also, last but not least, you'll need a mixing tool. I'm using this old pencil since I don't know what to use it for. Okay, so now let's get started. So in your bowl or plate, you want to first add a little bit of your hand sanitizer. And you don't have to add your paint, but if you want to add your paint, you can, because I want to color my slime because the hand sanitizer is clear. Now I'm going to add some paint. It's a little bit more paint. There's not much paint in here, but yeah. Okay, that's enough. Now, I'm going to use my mixing tool to mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. So after you're done mixing, you want to put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. So this is part 1 is how to make it, and part 2 I'll show you. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So I was telling you that this is part 1 is how to make it, and part 2 I'll show you the result after putting it in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours. So I mixed it and it got this cool blue color. So without, the camera's kind of bad, but in real life, the blue color is like blue lagoon. So you don't have to add the paint, and later I'll show you the result in part 2. And part 2 is another video. Bye!